Hi friends, welcome to my channel presenting a review of MUPLY ointment. MUPLY ointment is for external use only. MUPLY ointment is marketed by Brinton Pharmaceutical Limited. It is very famous ointment used in the treatment of impetigo, follinculitis, bacterial skin infection, follinculitis, etc. It have excellent result. It requires prescription. Avoid self-medication. Apply cream is available in a 5-gram tube. It is provided with forcing needle. It is used for the treatment of impetigo and folliculitis. Most of the skin specialists, most of the pediatrician, most of the gynecologists prescribe this MUPLY ointment in the treatment of impetigo, folliculitis, bacterial skin infection. It have excellent result. It is safe and effective. It is safe in pregnancy for pediatric patient, in breastfeeding women. It is not recommended for diabetic patients. It costs only 98 rupees and 55 paisa. MUPLY ointment shows better onset of action, rapid absorption. It requires very small amount to spread widely. It is available almost all medical stores and online too. Apply this ointment twice a day for 5 days or as directed by the physician. If you like this video, share as maximum as possible. Thanks for watching video.